Do you have a WooCommerce website? Are you looking for multiple functionalities? But that requires multiple plugins, and this will make your website heavy, slow, and laggy. After developing thousands of websites, we felt the same. Introducing ShopEngine, the most complete WooCommerce solution for Elementor to fully customize all your WooCommerce default pages. Create elegant and attractive template designs for your WooCommerce website to convert your visitors into customers. Get 13 plus advanced modules to build your WooCommerce website. Create variations of your products with easy-to-use variation swatches to display beautiful, vibrant, and appealing colors, buttons, images, and labels of products. Increase conversion rate by adding an installment facility and help your buyers to get their desired product right away by making partial payments. Get a clear assumption of your upcoming product's demand in the market by giving your customers a chance to pre-order that product. Display your sales updates on your WooCommerce website with sales pop-up notification to give your visitors an update on recent product sales. Create bargains and discounts on specific products which are available only for a limited period of time with product flash sales. Redesign your WooCommerce pages according to your requirements. Customize and create an archive page to show all of your popular products. Let your customers compare multiple products at once before they decide on making their purchase with Product Compare. Use the single page builder to design attractive product pages. You can also let users add products to their wish list. Build with the most popular drag-and-drop page builder Elementor using 65 plus ShopEngine widgets. Get started in minutes with one-click layout import template that matches your needs. So what are you waiting for? Get ShopEngine now, the most complete WooCommerce solution for Elementor.